Hey everyone, this is Zendor. Today we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries in the universe, allowing an AI to analyze the available facts and draw its own conclusions. And today's subject is, what is inside a black hole? If we were to imagine an AI capable of synthesizing all available information and theories about black holes, it might offer a nuanced, speculative conclusion. Here's a possible synthesis based on current knowledge, advanced theoretical physics, and creative extrapolation. The event horizon isn't just a static boundary, but may fluctuate and even store information about everything that falls into the black hole. This aligns with the concept of the holographic principle, where all the information within the black hole could be encoded on the event horizon itself. Rather than an infinitely dense point, the singularity might be better understood through the lens of quantum gravity. Instead of a singularity, there could be a quantum foam structure, where spacetime itself is in a state of constant flux at incredibly small scales. Alternatively, some theories propose the idea of a Planck star, a tiny but finite core with immense density, where quantum effects create a repulsive force that prevents full collapse. The space inside a black hole could be a non-classical region where time and space lose their traditional meanings. Here, the AI might propose that instead of spacetime as we know it, there's a complex, higher dimensional space that connects to other parts of the universe or even other universes, a concept related to the idea of wormholes or parallel universes. The AI might resolve the information paradox by suggesting that information isn't lost inside a black hole, but is transformed. It could be stored in a non-localized form, potentially being emitted back into the universe through Hawking radiation or other quantum processes. This would preserve the principle of information conservation, aligning with quantum theory. The AI might conclude that black holes are the ultimate testbed for unifying general relativity and quantum mechanics. Inside a black hole, these two theories converge, potentially leading to a new, unified theory of quantum gravity. This theory would reveal the true nature of the singularity, space-time, and information dynamics inside black holes. Lastly, the AI might propose that the true nature of black holes could involve concepts yet to be discovered. These could include unknown states of matter, energy, or entirely new physical laws that operate beyond our current understanding. This synthesis suggests that inside a black hole, we may find a region where classical physics breaks down, replaced by a complex interplay of quantum effects, information dynamics, and possibly even connections to other universes or dimensions. The event horizon acts as both a boundary and a repository of information, while the singularity might be reinterpreted as a more complex structure that hints at the need for a new theory of quantum gravity. And there you have it, an exploration into one of the most mysterious phenomena in our universe, the black hole. While we may not yet fully understand what lies within, the journey through scientific theories and cutting-edge speculation brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. This video was brought to you by Zendor, with insights analyzed by AI, synthesizing the vast knowledge we have today. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. And as always, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious. Until next time, this is Zendor, signing off.